He's still a work in progress.
It's not a bird and it's not a plane. And it's not an egg salad sandwich. It's the waistband warrior. Here is mighty battle cry. Hey, watch out, crime. It's Wedgie Power time. Captain Underpants, yeah, yeah, yeah. Faster than a speeding waistband. He's busting down doors. We're wearing distant drawers. Captain Underpants. More powerful than boxer shorts. His name is. I'm saying. Oh yeah, by some unlikely chance, Captain Underpants is his name. Snap your fingers and you will be there. That freaky bald dude in his underwear. He'll drop his trousers and he'll fight to save the day.
Wow, he is super dumb.
There he goes in his dashing cape. Here he comes in his tidy whities. All the bad guys soil themselves every time they hear him say, "La-la-la." Hey, who's that hunk? It's a cotton weed trunk. Na-na-na-na-na, Captain Underpants, yeah, yeah, yeah. Now it is time to fly again. Suspend your disbelief. The world in his briefs. Na-na-na-na-na, Captain Underpants, yeah, yeah.
Here, let me help.
You're welcome.
Check out that superhero. Captain Underpants is his name.
Stand down, pants. Hang on, sidekick.
Captain Underpants is his name.
Hello. These are your demons, your sleep paralysis demons speaking. Today, I would like to talk about your car's extended warranty. So, please. He's still sleeping. No way. What is this? It's like 1:44 a.m. He just fell asleep in his bed while talking to me. This is great. This is content. Oh shoot. Oh no, he's still asleep. Okay. Bro. He's just asleep. Bro. I can't believe this. Dude, oh no, did he just actually yawn? Bro, what? People yawn like that? Hello? Wake up, dorsal cat, wake up. Time for school, wakey, eggs and bakey. You're getting drafted, wake up. If only I had soundboard, I could have woken him up by now. He's just eating it, bro. I can't tell if he's faking it or not. He's just like breathing into his microphone. Dorsal cat, wake up. Wake up. You're being drafted. No way. No way he fell asleep. This is amazing content. Like, I didn't ask for this, but it's great. Bro, he's like eating his mic with his nose. No way. Oh my gosh.